Now this is an interesting one, that this is my third or fourth attempt. My family has told me this is going to be the chance and you have to take up a seat this year. And now I am under pressure. So this is something which is very, very important, the word pressure. If you have a 100-meter race, this is the cross line. And in the cross line, when you have a cross line, when you cross this line, there is a mark and every centimeter is marked there, And you will see that towards the end of this dash, everybody is almost very close. The first might be a little ahead, but almost everybody is very close and every millisecond matters. That's how every preparation which has got MCQs to it is like that. It has got positive marks, it has got negative marks, it has got high population added to it. So every negative, there are hundreds and thousands of people as you go down the ranks. Now, I have given X number of attempts and my family says this is the final attempt because they realize, point number one, that there has to be an end to it. You have to go to the next phase. Whether doing a post-graduation is essential for progress in life is a debate forever. I have seen so many wonderful MBBS doctors doing fantastic in life. So let's not take this entrance exam the only way of success. There are 100 more things to it. Those who clear do not go on a very happy side. Those who don't, is not that they don't do very well in life. Both examples coexist in this world and they will keep on coexisting. Now, what is of paramount importance to me right now is to tell you one very basic thing. And that one very basic thing is that that it's not your third or fourth attempt, it's your final attempt. एक चीज तो आखिरी बार होती है. अब मान लेते हैं कि यही आखिरी बार है. You are a doctor, my friend. You have to time up things. Pressure से तो कुछ होना नहीं है, बल्कि pressure leads on to anxiety. Anxiety decreases your efficiency. What I will suggest is that you have to get ahead of this procrastination कि मेरा नहीं होगा तो मैं और नहीं पढ़ पाऊंगा. बल्कि सोचिए ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको ये attempt ही नहीं मिलता. They are not given this one more attempt and they have to take it like this is the thing, finito. But you are being given a chance. Remember the movie Lagan? The game was almost over where the umpire told it's a no ball and the Britishers started fighting. Are you sure? And the umpire said, I'm not discussing it any further. It's a no ball. And then Bhuvan is on batting and he's given a chance and he hits it for a 6. So you have to hit that 6 in this attempt. So the first thing I want you to have is a positivity. Be positive yourself. Second, start preparing. A good start is half finish. Problem is people don't start. You have a destination to reach to. So it is very, very important that you start preparing. And my point is very simple. You have got PYTs and PYQs to do. You need to be sure you do 19 subjects. You do MCQs every day. You must be sure that revision should be performed well. And then what to do in last 7 days, last day, and so on. This is very, very important that you have these things to handle. Now, when if you go to a place, right, let's like you have gone to a marriage, right? And there are 2 ways of going to a marriage. Number 1 way of going to the marriage is you go and attend a wedding, right? And you eat and you come back. The second way is you are the organizer there. And when you are the organizer, you actually don't have time for anything. You're so busy as compared to a person who's come as a visitor. And this is what you have to be here. In this year, you're not a visitor. You're an organizer of your life. You have to value every day, every minute and start afresh every day. Go to revisions, do MCQs, keep attending the test, develop a habit of sitting for 3 to 4 hours. And when you know that, gradually when you give grand test and your score starts improving, that's the time you start feeling that you're in the right direction. There will be times when your score might drop, doesn't matter. Work on that grad test. Nadal, Federer, Djokovic, wherever they have reached today is because they practiced like crazy while they were practicing. They were not worried about the final game. Final game goes on auto mode. But if your preparation is highly skilled, competitive, and you have no mercy on yourself, you're going to do fantastic. And this is where great Muhammad Ali said, I don't start counting my push-ups when I start them. I start counting them and it starts hurting me. Mike Tyson said, I get up at 4 a.m. and start running. The journalist said, why? Because he says, my competitors are sleeping at that time. He said, if somebody starts running at 4, he said, I'll get up at 2. And if somebody does at 2, I'll not sleep. But I can't let it go. So this is the time to give your 100%. And when you start churning into the studies and the topics, that's where the magic starts happening and you start feeling positive. Please understand, it's not your last attempt. It's your final attempt. It's not your fourth attempt. It is the attempt. Remember, you're not attempting. You're preparing for the war. And that's why whatever the result is, the repentance is not the result. Thank you very much.